let me show you what kind of people have turned up for Vijay's road show, whatever you want to call it. He's going to arrive here in just a bit. This is a family that has come and... So the youngest one is here and then there are also children here. Madam, yaar pesvenge? Vijay na edukku pidikum ungalku adu solunga.
எனக்கு இப்போ வந்து 39 ஆகுது ஏஜ். எனக்கு விவரம் தெரிஞ்சதுலேருந்து ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எங்கள் ஃபேமிலி எல்லாருமே தளபதி தான், விஜய் தான். இளைய தளபதியிலேருந்து ஆரம்பித்து தளபதி வரைக்கும் என் அண்ணன் பிள்ளைங்க, அக்கா பிள்ளைங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் அவரோட பொண்ணு பேர், பையன் பேர், அண்ணன். எனக்கு அண்ணன், எங்கள் அண்ணன் அவர் தான். எங்கள் பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் மாமன் தான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அத்தனை பேத்துக்கும் எல்லாருமே விஜய் இல்லைன்னா எதுவுமே கிடையாதுங்க. உண்மையில தளபதிக்காக எங்க குடும்பத்துல 63 ஓட்டு தளபதி தாங்க. நாங்க பார்த்தே திருன்னு வந்திருக்காங்க போராடி.
So this is a woman who's saying that 63 members in the family, all of them will vote for Vijay. She's saying that, you know, many of the male members have been called Vijay. Let me also speak to some women here. Why do you support Vijay?
We are not just Talabadi fans, we are bloods.
Okay, but why do you like him and what do you expect from him?
Nothing expectation, just for Vijay. We are game.
மேடம், உங்களுக்கு எதுக்கு விஜய் பிடிக்கும்?
ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
எதுக்கு அவரோட பிக்சர் ஃபில்ம் பிடிக்குமா இல்லாட்டா அரசியல் பிடிக்கும்?
எல்லாமே பிடிக்கும். விஜய் இது எல்லாமே பிடிக்கும்.
She's saying that she likes his films and she likes the way he talks. Now that's the kind of fervor that you see in Marakadai, in Trichy, where Vijay is going to come here. Well, we are in Marakadai, Trichy, where actor-turned-politician TVK chief Thalapathy Vijay is starting his statewide yatra from. This is Trichy. It's the central part of Tamil Nadu. It's part of the Delta districts, and this is where the DMK is very strong. But TVK chief is contesting as not just a challenger, but somebody who wants to dethrone MK Stalin. He's also somebody who has posed himself as the only challenger to the DMK. More importantly, you also see Vijay posing with icons like B.R. Ambedkar, Anjali Ammal, who's a freedom fighter. You see Periyar there, you see Kamaraj, you see Velu Nachiyar, who's also the first queen who challenged the East India Company. And he has a whole set of icons for him. B.R. Ambedkar is there. A lot of youngsters who are supporting him. We have with us two people, Ashalakshmi and Niveta, both of them women who support TVK a lot. Ninga enna fans are supporters are. Why do you want Vijay to win?
We are both. We are fans and we are supporters.
And why do you want to give Vijay a chance?
He will protect all the girls. No, not only that. Whether he wins or lose, we have to give some chance to new people.
Absolutely, TVK will be the bestest because previously no parties has been performed well rather than other parties. So according to the other parties, TVK will full youngsters.
But yes, this is what the situation is in Marakadai. This is where Vijay starts his statewide yatra from. From here he goes to Ariyalur and from there to Perambalur. This is going to be a 4-month yatra. It's going to go on till 20th of December. But yes, the mood has heated up there. He's expected to arrive in Trichy at around 8:30 and from there he comes to Marakadai. A lot of restrictions have been imposed on him. He can't really do a road show. We'll have to wait and see how he manages to speak to people because he has clearly said that it's the Chief Minister's responsibility to ensure the safety of all his party men.
My colleague Sam Daniel joins us as well from Ariyalur. Sam, as Vasudha has been speaking to people in Tiruchi, an interesting point that has emerged is that entire families have come out and said that we've come here to support Vijay, and they do say that all of our votes will go to Vijay.
No doubt Vijay is a star. He has a cult following and he has been successful over the last few decades as a big actor, and he would have such die-hard fans for who Vijay means a lot. But the challenge for him would be now to translate these fans into votes. That's a big question. But Team Vijay is supremely confident that people who come for his public meetings and his rallies are not just coming to see him as a star, but they also believe in his cause and his promise of good governance in Tamil Nadu, and that there ought to be a change in Tamil Nadu. That Trichy will be his first stop. Ariyalur, he's expected to be here around 1 o'clock this afternoon. And after this, he will be at Perambalur. The format he has chosen is to campaign only on Saturdays till December 20th, choosing to speak only at district headquarters and not at every constituency in terms of Tamil Nadu's 234. His team believes Vijay has a huge social media reach and his presence would certainly affect normal life in smaller towns and districts. He doesn't want that to happen, and that's why he restricts his campaign to district headquarters, and then his message would be having a larger reach through social media. They point out his Madurai speech was watched by 4 crore people. But the larger question, of course, is so far no major allies have joined hands with Vijay, and will Vijay be able to make that kind of a splash? He believes that he would be able to turn things around and turn the 2026 Tamil Nadu elections into a repeat of what happened in Tamil Nadu, what's being called the watershed elections. The 1967 that unseated the Congress and paved way for the DMK, and then the 1977 elections which unseated the DMK and paved way for the AIADMK to capture power. The ruling DMK claims it's unperturbed, that it goes to elections based on its performance, based on the achievements, and based on the governance by what they call as Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's Dravidian model governance, and that their alliance is quite strong. They'll be able to really register a 4th consecutive victory and a 2nd consecutive term in Tamil Nadu. If that happens, it will be a history of sorts for them. The AIADMK has revived ties with the BJP. Again, it's still waiting for allies, but they hope that there is anti-incumbency with issues of corruption, women's safety and law and order being rectified by them. But above all, it's going to be a fascinating 3-cornered contest, and all eyes will be on what Vijay would have to say in terms of his ideological position, in terms of his stand on various policy matters relevant and important to Tamil Nadu.
Absolutely, Sam, stay on with us. These visuals that you're seeing on your screen or of Vijay, these are live visuals that are coming in. Vijay is in the campaign bus, as you can see. You can see the one in white there in the front seat. Vijay there meeting his sea of supporters that are just around the campaign bus. Remember, he's heading towards the point where the yatra will begin, where my colleague Vasudha is at right now as well. My colleague Vasudha joins us from that point. Vasudha, take us through the preparations. You also told us earlier that there were announcements that were being made just as Vijay is about to reach the event start location.
That's right, Aarti. In fact, Vijay is set to arrive here anytime soon. He has just left from the airport. There's a big bus that he has, he has brought this time. And this, the theme of this campaign is Unga Vijay Na Varen, which means, I'm coming, I'm your Vijay. There's a sense of relatability that he has also tried to project. And here, there are many, also many old of families that you can see here. Many of them fans who want to be, voters now. Many first-time voters who have come forward to say that they want to vote for Vijay. But remember that this is a DMK bastion. This is Trichy that we are coming from. All 9 seats of Trichy went to the DMK last time. Ken Nehru comes from here. He's a strong DMK minister. Arun Nehru is the MP from here. And Trichy is also the central part of Tamil Nadu. And if you look at the hoardings and flexes here, Vijay has also tried to project himself as a modern day MGR. He has been saying that 20 Tamil Nadu is going to be of 1967 when C.N. Annadurai of the DMK defeated the Congress party, and 1977 when AIDMK's MGR came to power. He has really kept his ideology and politics within the Dravidian fold, but at the same time he is also challenging the DMK and making it clear that he will be the only opponent when it comes to the DMK politics in Tamil Nadu.
தஞ்சாவூர் மாவட்டம்
டிவிகே மெம்பரா இல்ல ஃபேனா?
தளபதி எங்க உயிர், என் மூச்சு, என் நாடி, என் நரம்பு எல்லாமே அண்ணா விஜய் மட்டும்தான். இந்த டாட்டூ போட்டு ஒரு வாரம் அது இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஆயிடுச்சு. மட்டும்தான்
உங்க பேர் என்னம்மா?
என் பேர் கோமதி. தஞ்சாவூர் மாவட்டத்துல இருக்கேன்.
Okay, உங்களோட பசங்க உங்க ஃபேமிலி
இல்ல
எல்லாமே fans.
தம்பி எல்லாமே ஃபேன்ஸ். எல்லாமே ஃபேன்ஸ்.
Somebody, you know, who's a crazy fan, sir. நீங்க என்ன எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றீங்க டிவிக்கு?
ex-army person. I am ex-army person in Talabadi fans. We are get together, all females and males are thousands and thousands as get together in only upcoming CM 2026. The Talabadi is want to become in only private of Kamarajar policies in standing in Tamil Nadu. It entirely alternate politician. Tamilian people is wanted to alternate politicians. This upcoming leader, only one leader of.
So a lot of people here taking it here that, you know, it is the TVK that, but many of them also coming here to say that they want to come and see Vijay. We'll have to wait and see how Vijay navigates these restrictions, because a lot of restrictions have also been imposed on the Yatra. These are all women supporters of him. A little baby who has come all the way, and all of them want to at least see Vijay before he leaves. It's just going to be a 20-minute program here, so very little time for the fans to catch a glimpse of their favorite star, also a politician now.
Like you mentioned, there are several restrictions that have been put forward. One being that there can't be any sort of road show that will take place, no sort of public meeting as well. So how has the TVK planned this particular yatra?
Well, Aarti, it's very interesting to understand that it is going to be a very traumatic, it is going to be a challenge for the police. That is why a lot of police are here, and they are all making sure that safety of people is paramount. And this is also the Gandhi Market police station. The police men are coming out at regular intervals. There is a strong deployment here. They're taking videos. They're asking for the drone cameras not to be stationed at several places. They're also asking people to get down from the middle of the road. And remember, this is a very busy part of Trichy, so clearly there are some traffic disruptions. Vijay has also appealed to his supporters, asking them not to come if they're pregnant, if they have little children, because nobody wants disruptions right now. This is a hugely popular celebrity, and he also demands and commands that kind of crowd. So clearly a lot of people have and also understand what he wants to say. But yes, it is quite a challenge for the police, and the TVK also wants to ensure that it does not flout any rules, but at the same time the TVK chief manages to say what he wants to say. The TVK has been upset with the fact that the DMK government has imposed so many restrictions, and Vijay has clearly said that it is the right of every politician to reach out to the masses, and that he is stopped from doing so, and that's exactly because the DMK is scared and apprehensive about Vijay's prospects. But yes, he has arrived in Trichy. He's in that bus now, and the center of the theme of this campaign is Unga Vijay Navaran, which means I'm your Vijay, I'm coming here. 20-minute program here, and he's going to speak, and we have to wait and see how he navigates those restrictions as well.